How to buy a Shein gift card. Let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Shein account. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of me. Now over here you will find different options. Hit towards this option of gift card. Now scroll down. Over here you will find this section of bestsellers. Now from this page you can choose the card that you want to purchase. Just click on it. Now you can select the design and then select the amount. Now over here you have to type in recipient email address and then type in your name. Likewise, if you want to add anything to your gift card, you can type in over here. Once you fill all these, click on this option. I have read, understand and agree to Shein's gift card terms and conditions. Once you fill all these, click on the option of checkout, and with that you have just purchased Shein gift card. So this way you can easily buy a Shein gift card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.